In this video, we're going to upload our first document to the knowledge base and see what happens when we do. Uploading is the most direct way to add knowledge. Take files you already have, a PDF, a Word document, or an Excel file, and bring them into the knowledge base. Here's what's important and what makes Qamaq different from a simple storage system. When you upload a document, it's not just saved. Qamaq processes its content in the background, classifies it, summarizes it, and prepares it for search. Qamaq calls this process RAG, and you'll see this term in various places throughout the application, so now you know what it refers to. That is the step of converting your file into knowledge. Before that, it is simply a stored file. Afterwards, it becomes something your organization and your agents can actually use. Let's walk through an example. We're going to upload a sales playbook, a rules document containing the guidelines and processes for the commercial team. Within the knowledge base, we save it in the folder that corresponds to the relevant department. Since this is sales material, in our case, it goes into the sales folder. In your account, you'll select the folder that matches your own department. Notice that the path at the top indicates we are inside sales. Click on Add Knowledge and select Upload Files. The upload window will open. At the top, the window confirms the destination. Upload to Sales, which is the folder where the file will be stored. Before uploading, take a look at this access box, which defines who will be able to view the document. The access scope is inherited from the folder. Since we are uploading it to Sales, the Sales department will be able to view it. If you want to give it a different scope, switch the mode to Manual and choose, for example, the entire organization, or only you. You can also mark how sensitive the document is using the Sensitivity field. Here's a detail worth knowing. If we mark it as Restricted, Qamaq stops allowing you to inherit access and requires you to define who can view it yourself. This is a safeguard to ensure a sensitive document is never accidentally left open, simply because of the folder it was placed in. For our case, leaving it inherited under Sales is the correct choice, so we won't change anything. A finer detail of these controls, permissions, and access is a separate topic. Drag your playbook file, the Sales Playbook, into the box and click the Upload button. The file now appears in the Sales folder. Qamaq works in the background, reading and indexing the content. Once it's finished, the label changes to Processed, and that's how you know the document is ready to be used. And this is what makes uploading worthwhile. This processing is what converts the document into searchable knowledge. From here, if you ask your agent something that's in this playbook, for example, who can approve a 25% discount? It can find the answer right here. That's the knowledge base fulfilling its purpose. Whatever you upload becomes knowledge that your organization and your AI can use.